Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to lighten the dark image. It is very simple. You will see the dark image, we will lighten it. First of all, take an layer and click on there and select levels. Here is level and in the layer select light screen or lighten. I think screen is best, and here properties select lighter shadow. Yes, here is before and here is the after, so it is very easily to lighten the image in Adobe Photoshop. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.